Yes, thank you for taking my call, exercise. Senior Verification Officer, and who do I have the player I'm speaking with?
Hi, this is Jerry.
Gary?
Yeah, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing beautiful, Gary, sir. Happy Friday. How about you?
I've got a little bit of diarrhea. Sorry.
God bless you with a long life and a happy, healthy life. This is a quick review call, sir, on your Medicare options for 2026. I believe you have Medicare for A and B, right?
Yeah,
Okay, and how old are you?
67.
67?
Yeah.
All right. God bless you with a long life. Do you
Yeah.
make your own healthcare decisions or have a power of attorney, sir?
No, I make my own decisions. Oh,
You do, perfect. Uh-huh. Right now, I'm not gonna hold you for much time because
okay.
we are in the special enrollment period for 2026 and just trying to making sure you're getting all of your maximum benefits that you qualify for according to your needs. I
Yeah.
see here you are residing in the beautiful state of your Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
And what's your zip code?
19382. Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Oh,
Any kind of medical coverage are you receiving from the former employer or retirement plan? You're not.
no.
Okay. Are you getting any medical coverage from the former employer? I'm sorry, are you living in a nursing home, assisted living
No,
facility
it's
or
just
not?
me and my husband. Oh,
You and your husband. Okay, fine.
yeah.
Right now, ma'am, information you provide me, it's all good. Now, quickly, let's take a look on your benefits.
Yeah.
Do you have any roughly idea how much you're getting for food and over the counter this time?
No. Hold on. Oh, oh man. Oh, it's like maybe $200. Maybe I don't know. I'm just sorry.
$82?
No, like $200 or so. I don't know. I haven't been able to think much because I've been having a lot of diarrhea and I can't get rid of it all.
Oh, all right then. Like, do you have a United Healthcare, Humana, Blue Cross, Aetna? What company are you with?
I don't. Blue Cross Blue Shield. Uh, uh, mm,
Blue
uh,
Cross Blue Shield. Okay.
yeah.
We do represent Blue Cross. So the thing we do here is we will like quickly just give you a review and see exactly how much maximum you can get.
Would my
Any
husband
kind of
also be
stuff are
covered?
available for you.
Because he's my
Your
lover.
husband also have a Blue Cross.
I don't know what he has because he's still on his work insurance, and we don't. He doesn't like to talk finances too much, but if I could get him on there, that would be great. Uh,
So we
uh,
can take care of both of you guys. Don't worry about it. And you said your name is Gary or what? Could you spell the
Jerry.
first name for me?
Yeah. Yeah. Gerry.
Or the last name?
It's a Hardick. Harddick.
Gary Hardick.
Yeah.
Any middle initial by chance?
Not that I know of. Oh.
Okay. All right, ma'am. Your information is all good. What we do is we will give you a review to make sure you are on the best coverage. If there is anything extra available for you, we can
Yeah.
help you with. Otherwise, no cost, no
And
obligation to you. All right,
yeah, and my husband is Harry because he's my lover, and I love
Harry.
Harry Hardick. I took his last name.
All right,
Yeah, I used to
got you.
be Jerry
And
Beavers, but
uh-huh. Okay, information is all good. Now let's take a look here. And lastly thing I have to ask you, you said you were 67. That makes you was born in
57.
1958.
Yeah,
What was the date and the month? 57. What
50.
was the date and the month?
What? Oh no, it was 58. It was September 15th. I didn't have my birthday yet this year.
9, 9, 15, 58.
Yeah. Oh. Can I call you back?
Okay.
I mean, this is really bad.
What's the best time to reach you
I
back?
don't know. I gotta go.